Children, in the previous video, we studied the surface area of a cone. CSA of a cone was pi RL. Total surface area equals pi R into L plus R. Now we will do the problems based on that. Exercise 13.3. First question. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter. Diameter of a cone is given to be 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its CSA. So we will just write down what all things are given here. Diameter is given to be 10.5 centimeter. So radius will be diameter by 2, 10.5 by 2, which is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Then what else is given? Slant height is given to be 10 centimeter. We need to find CSA of the cone. And what is the formula to find the CSA of a cone, children? CSA is equal to pi RL. Until and unless stated, the value of pi will be 22 by 7 itself. Radius 5.25 into slant height 10. Simple simplification, multiply and you will get the answer to be 165 centimeter square. Direct application of the question. Okay. Next question. CSA of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find radius and second subdivision, find TSA of a cone. So CSA and slant height is given. We need to find the radius. So we shall start by writing whatever is given in the question. Then we will write the formula to find CSA and then we can find out the radius. Slant height is given as 14 centimeter. CSA is equal to 308 centimeter square. What is the formula of CSA of a cone? Pi RL is equal to 308. 22 by 7 into radius you don't know. 14 is the slant height equals 308. 7 goes in 14 2 times. 22 into 2, 44R is equal to 308. Therefore, radius equals 308 by 44. Simplify, divide and you will get the answer as 7 centimeter. So now you got the radius. You can find the TSA of the cone. What is the formula to find TSA? TSA is equal to pi R into L plus R. 22 by 7 into radius is 7, slant height is 14 plus 7. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 21, which is equal to 462, since it's a surface area, centimeter square. So you got the radius as 7 centimeter and TSA as 462 centimeter square. In surface area and volume, writing the unit is very, very important. Now next question. What is the length of the tarpaulin? 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base 6 meter. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base 6 meter? Assume that extra length of the material for stitching margins is approximately 20 centimeter. And here the value of pi is given in the question. That is, you should use pi as 3.14. Whenever there is the value of pi given like this, then you can apply only the formula given in the question. Okay. Now there is a conical tent. Now the conical tent has to be covered with a tarpaulin. Our question is to find the length of the tarpaulin. The breadth of the tarpaulin is given to be 3 meter. We need to find the length of the tarpaulin. Tarpaulin means a sheet that covers the conical tent. A rectangular shaped tarpaulin. Length you need to find, breadth is given. And conical tent's height and base is given. And then extra material is required for stitching. How much they have taken? 20 centimeter extra cloth is required. I have drawn a picture here. There is a tent of height 8 meter and radius 6 meter. Tarpaulin, breadth is given as 3 meter. We need to find the length of the tarpaulin. So first we will start with the cone. What all informations of cone is given? Height of the cone is given to be 8 meter. Radius of the cone is given to be 6 meter. So we need to find the CSA of the cone. To find the CSA, what is the formula? Pi r L. Slant height we don't know. We have to find. What is the formula to find slant height? Square root of h square plus r square. H square means 8 square, r square means 6 square. 64 plus 36, which is equal to square root of 100, which is equal to meter. Therefore, CSA of the cone formula will be pi RL 3.14 into, what is the radius? 6 into slant height 10. 3.14 into 6 into 10. After calculation, you will get the answer as 188.4 meter square. So we got the CSA of the cone. Now, tarpaulin. What all informations of tarpaulin we have with us? Breadth of the tarpaulin is given to be 3 meter. Length of the tarpaulin we don't know. We have to find. Now where is this tarpaulin used? Tarpaulin is used to cover the conical tent. So the area of the tarpaulin will be equal to the CSA of the cone. Area of the tarpaulin equals CSA of the cone. Tarpaulin's area, it's a rectangle, length into breadth. Length we don't know. Breadth is 3 meter, is equal to CSA 188.4. Therefore, length equals 188.4 by 3. And when you divide, you will get the answer as 62.8 meter. So we got the length of the tarpaulin as 62.8 meter. Then extra 20 centimeter cloth is required. Extra length required was 20 centimeter. When I convert it to meter, I will get 0.2 meter. Therefore, the total length, including the stitching margins of the tarpaulin, will be 62.8 plus 0.2, which is equal to 63 meter. Area of the tarpaulin will be equal to CSA of the cone. Area of the tarpaulin, length into breadth, because it's a rectangular shape. Length into 3 is equal to 188.4. So length is equal to 188.4 by 3, which is equal to 62.8 meter. Extra length is equal to 20 centimeter, which is equal to 0.2 meter. Therefore, the total length will be 62.8 plus 0.2, which is equal to 63 meter. Children, here I have written the answers after calculation, but you have to do the calculation in your working column. It is a compulsory, because if you don't practice multiplying, addition, subtraction and all, then it will be a problem in later cases. So please do the problems in your working column and then write the answer. Next question. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 10 per 100 meter square. So there is a conical tomb. So the base figure, the figure that we are talking here is a cone. Slant height and diameter is given. What is the slant height? 25 meter. Diameter 14. If diameter is 14, radius will be 7 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface. So we need to find the total cost of whitewashing. Total cost of whitewashing, what is the formula? It will be always CSA into cost per meter square. Now here they have given the rate as rupees 210 per 100 meter square. That means for every 100 meter square, the rate is 210 rupees. So you need to find the cost for 1 meter square and then you can find the total cost. Okay. So shall we start doing the problem? So please write down what all things are given, what all informations you are getting from the question. Note it down. Slant height L is given to be 25 meter. Then diameter is given as 14 meter. Therefore, radius will be 14 by 2, 7 meter. Now we need to find the cost. Before finding the cost, we should know the CSA. CSA is pi RL. 22 by 7 into 7 into 25. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 25. When you multiply, you will get the answer as 550 meter square. Then cost per 100 meter square is equal to rupees 210. Therefore, cost for 1 meter square will be rupees 210 by 100. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. It will be rupees 2.1. But how many meters square are we having? Therefore, total cost is equal to 550 into 2.1 rupees, which is equal to, children, you need to multiply 550 into 2.1 and you will get the answer as rupees 1155. So total cost will be always CSA into cost per meter square. Here cost per 100 meter square was given rupees 210. Therefore, cost for 1 meter square will be 210 by 100, which is equal to 2.1 rupees.